Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the phone has at least 20% battery and a stable connection. You don't need a full backup, but save any unsaved work. Press and hold the power key until the power menu appears, then tap power off or restart. Once the screen shows the Vivo logo during boot, press and hold the volume down button to trigger safe mode. You do this because safe mode loads only system apps, isolating third-party issues so you can change modes safely. Once you're in safe mode and ready to switch back, pull down the notification shade and look for the safe mode message. Tapping it often gives an exit option. If no notification appears, open Settings right arrow System, right arrow Restart, or use the on-screen power options and choose Restart. Make sure to wait through the full reboot. The system will relaunch all disabled third-party apps. You do this because a clean restart reinitializes normal services. After the restart, verify normal mode by checking that widgets, custom wallpapers, and third-party apps are visible and responsive. That confirms successful exit. If the device remains in safe mode, uninstall any app installed just before the issue, reboot, and then test. You do this because problematic apps can force safe mode. If problems persist, clear system cache or backup data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. Quick troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode again to confirm whether a third-party app causes the failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.